Hi guys, and welcome back to another Meals of the Week video. 7 easy plant-based meals that anyone can make. This week's ones include some old favourites, ones that I do quite often, but maybe just change the odd little bit out of it. And then there's a new recipe that we haven't had before right at the end. Another deliciously Ella recipe. I love her recipes, so I hope you enjoy it. And let's jump straight in. So for today's dinner we've got a stir fry. So I got some spring greens in our Riverford box. So I've added them, a pak choy, baby corn. Oh, I didn't do any red onion. Never mind. Red pepper, courgette, mushrooms, tofu, some whole wheat noodles. And then the sauce is like my own one. So it's like rice, wine vinegar, miso paste, soy sauce, almond butter, tahini and sesame oil. And a splash of hot water. And then add that in with the noodles. And that is our dinner for today. That's Lucy's. I'm not sure she'll eat it, but that's why I've only given her a little bit. That's mine. And that's Craig's. So for today's dinner, we've got sweet potato and red lentil curry. We have this one quite a lot. It's one of my go-to recipes. It's a Waitrose recipe. So that's Craig's, that's mine, and that's Lucy's. And then we've just got some popcorns to go with it. So for today's dinner, we've got the staple of jacket potato and salad. But this salad, the lettuce, is homegrown, which is exciting. And not only that, we have also got the first radish of the year. They are tiny, but they are radishes nonetheless. Then I've also got some tomatoes sliced from our Riverford box, some cucumber and some sauerkraut as well. And that is our dinner for this evening. So for our dinner today, we've got this gratin, which is slices of potato, courgette and onions. I use a mandolin to make them really thin. And then I've made like a white sauce, and then you just layer it up, and then excuse me, and then put breadcrumbs on the top, and then bake it in the oven. And then I've just got some sausages and a little bit of salad, and that is our dinner for today. So for today's dinner we have got burger and chips. These are the Beyond Meat burgers. Some mayo in there, then the burger, some Violife sliced cheese, some fried onions, some lettuce and ketchup on the top, some oven chips, these are the McCain ones, and then some beer battered onion rings. And that is our dinner for today. So for today's dinner, we've got a quinoa salad. So there's quinoa in there, and then I added in some sun-dried tomatoes and olives, a tin of sweet corn, and then I fried up some red onion, pepper, courgette, and then added in some spinach, and then fried that up and then added that in as well. So for today's dinner, we've got giant couscous and crispy chickpea salad with turmeric cauliflower. This is out of the Deliciously Ella book. I think it's called Quick Wings. Yes, this one. We've not had it before, but it does look really good. So yeah, it's a salad with some giant couscous or pearl couscous, some chickpeas, cauliflower, and then a tahini dressing over the top. And that is what we have for dinner today.